Welcome to Daily Angelic Messages for Thursday, December 10th, 2020, day number 347. The Daily Angelic Message for today is Uncover Your Peaceful Nature. Taking a nice deep breath into your heart and a nice deep breath out, and wholeheartedly listening to today's divine message. Beloved one, you don't need to do anything to become peaceful. You already are. If you don't feel this way right now, call upon us angels to help you. Fear doesn't keep you safe, nor does it solve problems. Only a tranquil mind can clearly hear the voice of the divine, which calmly guides you toward the solutions you seek. Regardless of the situation at hand, the answer is always found through your inner peace. Today, be an explorer who ventures inward. Make serenity your target, not as something that you must acquire or earn, but as a treasure lying in wait for you to find. The thought for today, repeating after me: I feel tranquil right now. God is peace, and the divine is everywhere. Therefore, the Creator's serenity is within me. I relax and allow my mind to be calm. Calling upon the angels to help me relax and let go. Have a most beautiful, blessed day.